I take it off?
Okay, right. Oh, there it is, right there.
Okay. Changing out the oil filter. It just pops out.
Mm-hmm.
New one.
And that spring, when you put it in, you want to make sure that spring stays in that end piece, because that's going to give you, that'll.
Guys, as you saw in the last clip, we tried to change the oil and the engine split into two parts, and we poured oil down the clutch part, which apparently doesn't take oil. I don't know. But we're going to change the transmission oil now. And yeah, now we're going to do it properly this time. Yeah. Alrighty, we got her all washed up. She got a dryer. Also, guys, for the upgrades that we did on the bike, we put some Pro Taper bars on it. We put some black wheels and rims with some red hubs on both sides. And that's about it. We also put, a nice sticker kit. But we'll pop up a picture of what the bike looked like when we first got it. And then with all the extra stuff that we added. And now the completed bike. We're going for the race look, so let us know how we did.